as you know, this road fatalities, if you see, more 70% of these are between the, if you see, between the age of 15 to 35. These, I think, these are the young youth who are involved in this road accidents. And as you know, when you attain the age of 18, you get the driving license. And secondly, when you earn at the age of 24, 23, when you start earning, that is the period. So this youth period, I think we can see the data statistics if you remove. I think this is maximum 80% means around maximum youth are involved.
What I want to talk is a very general model, that is 3E model. 3E. Okay. So what is first E? First E talks about the engineering that we cannot address right now. That is how the roads are planned. Okay, so I don't think that we are members here, but that is a very important thing. The second E denotes the education for which we are here present here today. And the third E is the enforcement. This is the general 3E model that you can apply at most of the places. So in road safety also it applies very well. As I already said that E denotes, first E denotes the engineering, and that happens at the planning level. जब हम roads को plan कर रहे होते हैं, if there is a straight road, then the chances of accidents is very less. Why? अगर बहुत सारे cuts हैं, तो many random people can come. आपने देखे होंगे जो accidents होते हैं वो junctions पे बहुत होते हैं, because high speeds होती है, and there are some blind junctions as well, blind cuts होते हैं, ठीक है? So that all deals with the engineering part that we cannot address now because our roads are already at place. We cannot address that. But what else we can do? We can educate ourselves. Educate regarding what? Educate regarding the safety measures that we can take as a pedestrian, as drivers, and these are very basic common sense that we can apply and we can actually save ourselves and the people already present on the road. अब वो common sense वाली चीज़ें क्या है कि मोबाइल पे बात करते वक्त हम गाड़ी ना ड्राइव करें, अल्कोहल अगर पी रखी है तो गाड़ी ना ड्राइव करें, हेलमेट्स का यूज़ करें, सेफ्टी हमारी जो बेल्ट होती हैं उनका यूज़ करें. These are the very common basic things जो बहुत ज़्यादा एफर्ट नहीं लगाती है, but still we find that people don't adhere these.